So, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel where we discuss all things golf swing and streetwear. And in today's video, we got a really exciting unboxing and we're doing something a little bit different on the channel. So as you guys know, most of the time on this channel, we focus around golf wing content, but I actually got a brand new pickup that I was really excited to get my hands on that I wanted to unbox on the channel and show you guys. And as of course, you've probably already seen by the title, we're going to be doing an unboxing of Lil Yachty's new nail polish line called Crete or Crate. I'm not 100% sure if I'm saying that right or not, but I saw Yachty kind of start promoting this on his Instagram and it was something I've been interested in trying out for a while. And just being that I actually am a really big fan of Yachty and I support what he's doing with this brand, I did decide to go ahead and pick something up. There were two pretty big selling points for this brand for me. One of them we'll get into when we actually start the unboxing, but the second one is actually the message behind the brand itself. So while this actually is a quality product, the biggest thing that Yachty was trying to do with this brand is kind of reduce the stigma of men painting their nails. So for so many years, painting your nails has just been a thing that like women traditionally do. It's one of those really dumb, like stupid gender role kind of things. But over the years, there's just been so much stigma built up around men actually painting their nails, and Lil Yachty is really trying to break down that stigma, kind of break down the barriers and make it more socially acceptable for men to paint their nails, which I actually think is amazing because painting your nails is something that doesn't have anything to do with your gender or sexual orientation. It's just another form. It can add a lot to an outfit. It can add a lot to your aesthetic, and literally it's nothing at all that anybody should be ashamed about wanting to do ever. So I really supported what Yachty was trying to do with this. I have been interested in doing something like this for a while, but when I kind of started to see where Yachty was actually trying to take this, it made me want to support him a lot more. So that's why I finally broke down and decided to pick something up. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight into the unboxing, guys. I have already cut the tape on the top of the box here, just so I don't have to do it on camera or anything like that. But we have a pretty simple box here, guys. We just have the shipping label and then a black box with this little Crete tape to kind of tape it shut for the shipping process. And that's pretty much all there is to be said about the box. And then opening up the box here, the first thing that you actually see is the Crete logo with their brand slogan underneath. The slogan is "For you, not them," which I actually think is literally the perfect slogan for what they're trying to do with this. Very simple and to the point, but it kind of lets you know what this brand is all about. And then as far as what's included on the box, we just have this simple Crete sticker, which is always a really nice touch. It's a really simple and cheap thing for a brand to do, but it can really go a long way. Another thing that would have been really cool for them to do, which is instead of including a sticker like this, they actually have some actual like little stickers for your nails on the website. I didn't actually pick any of those up, but I'm interested in doing something like that in the future. But I think including like 2 or 3 of the nail stickers instead of this sticker, or maybe along with this sticker, would have been pretty sick as well. Just kind of a first impressions thought. It's not really the end of the world either way. And then the second thing we have in the box is just a simple packing slip, nothing to really get into there. And then we actually have this little card which tells us how to use the pen. So Yachty and his team behind the brand actually did something really cool with the actual nail paint applicator. But most of the time when you actually get nail paint or nail polish, you just get it in the little bottle with a screw top lid, and then the brush is a part of the screw top and you just kind of dip it into the bottle, which, you know, there's nothing really wrong with that, of course, but if something can be improved, I mean, why not improve upon it? Which I think they absolutely did. So I'm going to hold on to the instructions because I don't know exactly how to use this applicator, but as you can see here, I did only get 1 pen. There is slots cut out here for 4 because I feel like most of the time people get 1 or 2 pens or something like that, but me personally, I just decided to go with 1. And I actually didn't decide to go with any paint. All I got was a glossy resin top coat. So this doesn't actually apply any paint to your nails. It just adds kind of a glossy resin on top of the nail to give it a little bit of a shine and make it just look cleaner overall, which is something that I was personally really drawn to. And on top of that, the nail paint that they had on the actual website wasn't anything that really called out to me personally. They have a white nail paint, gray and black, and none of those are personally anything I'm interested in, but if you are, you can definitely go on the website and check it out. So I just decided to go with a simple top coat because on top of me not really being a huge fan of the colorways that they had for my own style, I'm kind of new to the whole world of nail paint and nail designs, and I figured just a simple top coat was a pretty good introduction into that world. So that is all that I have with me here today. But with the unboxing out of the way, let's go ahead and get into an actual demo of the pen itself. I'm really excited to try this out, so let's just go ahead and get straight into it. Reading the instructions here, it actually seems like this pen is pretty simple to use. So basically all you do is you just unscrew this cap here, of course, and then you have this plunger here at the top that when you get it, it's actually locked into place. It won't let you push it down. So you just twist that to the right and then push the plunger down, and then the brush comes out of the bottom. And then I'm pretty sure that's all there is to it. You're pretty much good to go ahead and start applying everything after that. It says on the instructions to do about 2 or 3 layers, but I don't know if that applies to the top coats or if that's more for like just the paint. So I'm going to start out just doing 1 coat and kind of going from there to see if I need to do a little bit more. So yeah, let's just go ahead and start applying it. All right, guys, so on my right hand here, I've applied 1 layer of the top coat, and on my left hand, I haven't applied anything. I don't know if the camera's picking this up or not, but there's noticeably more shine to my right hand than my left hand. brand. It's not super duper apparent right now, but I think I'm definitely going to go for one more coat and kind of see where we go from there. But so far, I'm actually really happy with the results. I'm going to add one more coat and see how much of a difference that makes. All right, guys, so this is after 2 coats. I'm sorry if this looks awful because I literally have no idea what I'm doing. It's like literally my first time trying to do anything like this, but I'll get better the more I use it. But as you can see, this is after 2 coats. It didn't make too much of a big difference doing a second coat instead of just kind of what it did on the first coat. It is pretty subtle, and like I said, I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but there is a noticeable difference in the shine between my right hand and my left hand, and I'm actually really satisfied with the results. I'm happy I decided to go ahead and pick this up because this is something I've wanted to do for a while. And honestly, guys, the pen makes everything so easy to apply. I really love what they've done with the design, what they've done with the brand. I'm a huge fan of what this has done to my nails with just the top coat. It really gives my nails a subtle but needed fresh look. Everything just looks better. It looks more clean. And I'm definitely open as they start to put out some more colors to possibly painting my nails one day. One thing that's definitely in the works for me, probably in the near future, is getting some of the stickers they actually have on the website, because I think the stickers they have look really cool, and they're a perfect thing to have if you're not really good with doing art on that small of a level, and if you don't want to pay to get it done professionally, because that can get pretty pricey. They have some really nice stickers and some really dope designs that I'm definitely looking into picking up one day eventually. But as far as what we've unboxed today, the glossy resin top coat, if you guys are interested in possibly painting your nails, I 100% recommend checking out Yachty's brand. This pen only cost me $12. That is really cheap. I don't know how it compares to other brands, because like I said, this is literally the first time I've bought anything like this, but I do know $12 is not bad at all. And on top of that, you're really supporting a message that I think needs to be heard by men worldwide. So if you guys are interested, I definitely recommend. I will link the website down in my bio below, so you can go check out everything that they offer on the website right now. But with that being said, guys, I'm pretty sure that's going to do it for this video. Comment below and let me know your thoughts on this. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Are you somewhere in the middle? Also, let me know if you guys would like to see more videos similar to this in the channel moving forward. I really enjoyed filming this, and I really enjoy stepping out from golf every once in a while and making a bit of a different video and kind of shining light on other brands every once in a while. So definitely let me know what you guys thought about this. But I'm pretty sure that's going to do it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for checking this out. As always, if you like this kind of content and you would like to see more, definitely like this video and subscribe to the channel. I have a ton of golf and streetwear content coming moving forward. That'll do it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for checking this out. I'll see you in the next one.